Hello and welcome back to my channel. I remember myself Johnsonkeyz. Alright, so I want to show you another 736 using diminished chords, right? In the key of G. G for God. Yeah. Why shouldn't we play in the key of G? I mean, that's the letter that starts the word God. So this is a very powerful key. Yeah, very powerful. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Okay, so now we're gonna be doing this song. Great are you, Lord, and I'm gonna show you that 736. All right. So let me show you that very fast. In the key of G, we have G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and G. So right. So now the chord goes like this. We have a greater. I can't really pitch that. All right. So the 7 chord goes like this. On our left we have F sharp major 7. Sorry, F sharp dominant 7 rather. That's F sharp, C sharp, and E. On your left, on your right you have a G. Is it G minor? Sorry. We have a G, B flat, E, and what's it called? E and G. I'm trying to put this together. Okay. Well, okay. Yeah, that's it. So now on our right hand we have a G, B flat, E, and G. So we have. So you can do. Look at where the movement is happening. It's happening here and. So that means you're holding these together and then with your pinky between these two fingers, these two guys. So now the next chord. Left we have a C and E flat. On our right we have a C and F sharp. So the 6th chord is E, B, and E on left. E, B, and E on left. On right, you have us G, B, what is D, and G. So very simple chord. So great are you, Lord. Now let me give you a 5 chord in this case. Great are you, Lord. So let me give you that 5 chord. So on 5 you do. On your left you have a D for dial, D. We have A, we have E, D A E. Does that make any acronym? D A E. Can't remember any. D A E on your left. On your right you have a very wonderful chord. That's a F. That's a F major 7, but in this voicing, F, C, E, and G. So 5. Then on your 1 you do this chord. You just hold G on your 1. Right? Yeah, right. Thank you. On your left rather. On your right you hold this chord. What's this? This is F major 7 flat 5, right? Yeah. Okay, yeah. So the chord you're playing on right for this guy. What's my pedal? Come here. Oh, you pedal. Now we have a F, B, and E. So don't forget 5. I gave you this chord already. In case you jumped on this video at this part, you need to rewind it just to check the previous the chord I gave before this time on the timestamp. So don't forget to click the subscribe button. Now this one, and then you to your 4. So which is C on left. On right we have a E minor 7, right? E, G, B, and D. So we are the chords together slowly. Great are you, Lord. You can come to me, Lord. Great are you, Lord. Let me play it on this part. So don't forget those feel, that feel, give it that feel. Great are you, Lord. Great are you. Now give this video a like, subscribe to this channel. If I get a very good reception for this video in the key of G, then I'll do more videos in the key of G. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.